Well, today we got some sun. It's 8:30 a.m. the next day. Last night was pretty intense. It was super windy, and I could actually feel the house shake sometimes, which was a bit spooky. Also, the power cut around midnight. So yeah, I for sure thought we were cooked this week, but waking up this morning, it's super sunny. I don't know if it's gonna last. I haven't checked the weather yet. But I'm definitely gonna use today to go on my run. Right now I'm going to the supermarket again. I'm gonna get some food for breakfast and for the next couple days as well, so I don't have to go every day. And we'll go from there. Itadakimasu. Sweet. Just went on my run, 11 Ks. Oh, it was so good. I just got a new chest mount, which I'm so happy about. I'm pretty sure there won't be any vibrations now, which was bothering me. Instead of going back and forth like I've been doing, now my plan is just to run one way and then just take public transport on the way back, because I figured that's much better for the videos instead of being twice the same thing but in different directions. Also, yeah, last week I was struggling. Sorry, there's a lot of wind here, but yeah, last week I was struggling and I had to walk a bit because going up to the castle was hard, and that bothered me because obviously I'm supposed to keep going for a year. But yeah, what I was really lacking is food and better sleep. I do look quite tired at the moment. It's because I've been forcing myself to wake up early every day so that then I can easily fall asleep at night, because that's what I've been struggling with. But food, yeah, I've really improved the food in the past few days, and I can really notice it already. What a cool train station. I just looked up how to get back to the guest house, and the only thing to go back is a train, and it's like in 30 minutes. And yeah, getting here I was like, there's no way there's a train station like in those small streets, and here we are. Hello. It's the next day, the day after I went on my run. I'm feeling a little bit downburst today, a little bit lazy, a little bit unmotivated. I think I keep getting too involved with my content. Yesterday my run was good. I got that new chest mount, but it didn't fix the issue I'm having. I think I have the solution now, but I need to wait 1 week for my next run. And there really is just so many parameters, like, I don't know, like I'm posting on different platforms. I don't know what time I should post. It seems like some platform the time is better than others. And then there's color grading, which is and there's so many things, and exporting the right quality. I keep feeling like my shit doesn't look good. It looks good on my end, but then when I post it, they don't look good. My leg is quite sore as well. I hurt myself during the run. we're back once again. It's Saturday now. I think last time I vlogged was maybe 2 days ago. We got some sun, which I think it's mostly what I've been missing. If it's raining outside, considering I'm quite far from everything, I think it's made me lazy to go anywhere. And it's so weird, like I'm so quick to get comfortable and to change my behaviors. It's like, for example, I mostly been gaming, been staying indoors, been editing on my computer. Honestly, like I've been inside my room for quite a few days most of the time. And once I get like that, I'm just like, okay, that's what I'm gonna be doing from now on. And the simple thought of going out becomes hard. And I've really felt how traveling alone, staying in accommodation mostly alone most of the time, has really affected my social behaviors. Like I'm really not social anymore, and it's low-key becoming an issue. So tonight I hope to go out. I've been saying I wanted to go out for a while, but every time I get close to going out, I get scared. So normally tonight I go, I drink, I go out. Right now I'm going into the city, gonna visit a few shrines. Alright, just got to Matsuyama city. I'm just gonna be walking from now on. The spot I'm going to is like 45 minutes away, but I'd rather just walk. It's nice to finally be outside. It's nice to finally be moving around instead of sitting on the floor all day. That was Gokoku Shrine, and now I'm going to Isaniwa Shrine. One more to see. It's 5:30 p.m. right now. I'm gonna go to Ishiteji Temple, and it's got a cave as well, Ishiteji Cave. It's not too far. I think it's like 1 kilometer away. So I'm gonna walk there, and then I'm probably gonna head to a bar. Too late for the cave, apparently. That's a bit of a shame. I'll see if I can see anything. Guess I'm gonna have to come back to that one when I do the castle and the garden. That's like the last couple of things I have to do in this town. I'll come back here. I'll come back for the cave, come back for the statues in the back, and I'll come back for the castle and the garden. Still got a few days. I'm not gonna go up. I think I saw that coming. I think I'm tired. I've been walking all day. I haven't been out in too long. I don't feel like socializing. I feel like taking the train home, having some food, playing some video games. That's what I feel like doing. So right. Today's Monday. Couldn't find a bench, so I'm sort of like halfway on a business property. So I'm leaving Matsuyama on Friday. Initially, I got so many days in Matsuyama because I ordered something, my chest mount for running from eBay a few weeks ago. It came from America and the delivery window was quite big, so I just booked this place for 12 nights, 11 nights to make sure that I would receive it. And then it ended up arriving literally the second day I was here. So now I feel I've been here a little too long. The more time you have, the less productive you become. I've realized that a lot in my life. Whenever I wasn't working, although I had all that free time, I just ended up being lazy about it. As much as I love the place I'm in, I'm just like, I feel like I'm just, I don't know, I'm just being instead of exploring. Today I'm doing something I've been reluctant to do, because I'm gonna get my finger checked out. Okay, it's done. I think that took about 2 hours, but that was really easy. They were really nice. They were translating everything for me. They explained thoroughly. They did an X-ray. They did an echo. They didn't find anything. They sort of said it's gonna go away by itself. And if it doesn't, then you wanna do an MRI. In the meantime, they gave me a prescription of anti-inflammatory, so that's what I'm gonna use for a week. If that doesn't work, they said to go back to another clinic, do an injection of steroid. If that doesn't work, then do an MRI. All very big words, big things. I don't think it's that bad, but obviously it hasn't gone away in 2 months.